Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new Apple ID on your iPhone. Now, first just head into the settings on your iPhone, and at the very top, if you're already signed in, tap on your name. One key component is if you create a new Apple ID, it cannot use the same email address that you have on a current Apple account. So keep in mind you can only have one email address per account and you're not able to use that one. However, you can use any other email that you want. Now we can't do it in the settings, but we can do it in a web browser on your iPhone. And on here, we're going to go to account.apple.com. Again, account.apple.com. And now when we're in here, it usually prompts you to sign in, but we don't want to sign into your old Apple ID. We want to create a new one. And to be able to create a new one, at the top right there, you can see that little drop-down arrow. So I'm going to tap on the drop-down arrow, and there is create your Apple account. Now on here, similar stuff to most accounts, first name, last name, the country. You can enter in your birthday so that it knows what age you are. And here is very important where it says name at example. This is where you need to be a unique email address, not the one that you used previously. And then just enter in the password, phone number, etc. Scroll down and hit continue. After you've done that, it will create that new Apple account. And if you wanted to use it on your iPhone, let's just hop back into your settings. And if you haven't logged in already, you can just tap at the very top. It'll say sign in and allow you to sign in to that new Apple account. However, if you already signed into your old one, you can just scroll down to the bottom, tap on the sign out button, and on here you can choose to erase the iPhone, but in this case I want to sign out but don't erase, and then just go through the process of signing out of your old Apple account and then logging into your new Apple account with that new email address and password. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.